I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn control charts used in quality management. We will understand what a control chart shows, the rule of 7, and other special cause signals you must recognize quickly on projects. A control chart plots sample measurements over time. The center line is the average, called CL. The upper and lower control limits are typically plus and minus 3 sigma from the center. Points should bounce around the center line randomly when the process is stable. If certain patterns appear, they signal special causes that we need to investigate. Now, the rule of 7. If you see 7 consecutive points on the same side of the center line, that is unlikely to be random. It signals a process shift due to a special cause. We should stop and investigate before continuing the process. Special cause number 1 to watch for is a single point beyond a control limit. If a point is above the upper control limit or below the lower control limit, that almost certainly indicates a special cause event. Another important signal is a trend. 6 or more points in a row steadily increasing or steadily decreasing suggest a drift in the process, which is a special cause. A third classic signal is 2 of 3 consecutive points in zone A on the same side, that is, beyond 2 sigma from the center line. This often precedes a point going out of control. There are several other patterns that signal special causes. For example, a single point beyond a control limit, a sudden shift with 8 or more points on one side of the center line, too many points hugging the center with very low variation and repeating cycles or periodic waves. Each of these is unlikely by chance and should trigger investigation and corrective action. To summarize, use control charts to distinguish common cause variation from special causes. Remember the rule of 7. Look for points beyond control limits, check for trends, and watch the 2 of 3 in Zone A pattern. These signals help you act early, stabilize your process, and deliver consistent quality. Thank you for learning with PM Expert.